Check in. Watch out now. Update on the system. Whole heap of things going. I still at work on the storeroom. I have some video. Just now put everything together where I want it yet, so I'm not post that yet. But other than that, I still I do that. The week earlier up in a week I did my birthday, so kind of go up on the road and do some little things. I give you a small install right now. Small install. We're gonna do one small install today. Hopefully we can finish it because right now I don't have everything yet. But the person alright, first of all, big up Stinger's Motor World. Yeah. I'm gonna show you everything in a minute. I'm gonna show you how you can get in contact with him and everything. This is one of his vehicle them. I'm gonna do the vehicle for him. He just want a little small thing in it when he have already. He have it in one other vehicle, he want it in another vehicle. Yeah. So I have a couple things to do. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do right now. Alright people, see it there? Stinger's Motor World. Number them if you call. And they're close to me now. The past place are close to me now, so you can find easy. Alright. This is wire them I come with. I don't know who did do this, but somebody do this. Apparently this is supposed to be the grounds and green one supposed to be the remote. And this is supposed to be the live, but well. Probably then just never just a little thing then did that, so it don't really matter. You work for them because obviously you catch a fire, so probably did that work for them. Now go work for me. I have to go change up them there. Up here so now we are gonna use the radar. I don't know if I the factory radar this or not, but the radar we are gonna use. Some of them sitting here when I see us fling them more. This come from the radar, you know. Why, you know. You see how that going to reach this. That's a round, that's a look. I think them, so you see them can do. Well, more install this and I ceiling. Yeah. More installing I ceiling and more installing. Right, that's a before you reach the roof like that. Yeah. So I have that for though. The vehicle here look like it did a run taxi in the people, so you know that brand new vehicle, you know, but in a good condition. So make we see what we can do with it. We do the right thing. I'm showing you what going right now. Some things I may have other than this. Other than this, I have some things up this in our box. We are going at me. I show you them. Yes, so now we have one 10-inch kicker and two 10-inch mid with some tweeters. Wire and everything there in this. So I preamp. Original Clarion preamp, so I got nice. So we have them there for them. But first thing I want to do is install the thing in our roof. I want to run back some wire when needed. Yeah, so I need them wire there. Alright. Now go check that. Alright people. Look on this and tell me. That right there's someone put the preamp. Yeah, I want to put the preamp. Right there, so that means I want two long wire and one short. Alright. Two long wire and one short. Good. Alright people, I pull out that. Come here work fast, you know, come here one next worker coming. Alright, I pull out the radio The radio don't have no RCA output, but you have one high and low impedance. Yeah, it's up on here already. So, I'm good up there, so. The video out there on the radio also. I'm going to show you in a minute, but I try to put on this. Kind of did hard to put on because I have to dig down some part in the roof and try to get access to some place. But me get through. I bore one small hole, that's the only hole I bore other than them little screw hole. One small hole for running wire through. I use on bicycle cable because the bicycle cable firm and it will be easy for fish through. Instead of me have to take down the whole roof, you understand? So, me I go on one kind of way. Me I try to put up the screen. Put up the screen, run a wire. The screen come with the one wire. So I run a wire for the screen first. And then I can go on through again. Alright. So nice breeze are blowing on, man. Breeze are blowing. Look at my shirt. Shirt are blowing a breeze in the people. Shirt are blowing a breeze. Not even know if you see, but that's how I think. Alright. You see this now, this are the connector. Focus. These are the connector for the screen. So I'm going to screw up the screen, but I tape up the connector because when you push it through here, so, and you draw them wire, anything can go on. You don't really want if you plug off. You can imagine you put your connector and go through all of this. And the wire plug off and you have to go figure out what go on. I don't want that. So, that I do right now. I tape up it, I'm going to run back through this and screw up the screen. I'm supposed to can move on from this. So. Alright, quick preview of the DVD in the roof. See there? Fully installed. The wire run come right to your radio. The radio have one part panel where say video out. That you plug it on. Me I got tape up this. This need for tape. Tape this that's in a draft. And yes so need for tape up. This need for tape up. Live and grounds for connect. But as you already know, live and grounds connect to the remote segment. That means when remote signal go to your radio, round this can come on also. You don't want to connect it straight and then you find out say all light all in other there and the light on right through and all kind of. No, I did have to take off the pocket, yeah? Take off and put it on back a while ago. Everything good there, so moving on again. Alright people. So look at my wire where they didn't so I take out here and fling it down the ground there, so. Fling it down one side. Alright. The wire where then did join up, pull off the join and this a piece side. I use it make one grounds. Yeah, I'm gonna run it through and drop out it just like how I do it live. But just a show you what I do. This need for mark. See our grounds. If you don't mean know the difference still. But just in case anybody else go fast with this after I finish, I'm gonna mark it. Yeah. So that's how we reach. Why? People look funny and tell me if it look center. It look like a center. Yeah, man, the center man. Now until I say me use tape measure on it. Me use tape measure on it. Good like gold. What them find under the earth. Normally, you know. Alright, back to the basics now. See how round us a look? So it's supposed to look. Even when you take up and mat them, you're not supposed to see no wire. Yeah. Because a vehicle is a fairly new vehicle. Them stick on sitting here gone, you know. I'm supposed to stick a ground. A fairly new vehicle, you don't want to see no wire. But there is wire, you know, people. Because if you draft this, wire did it. But wire tuck in. Yeah. And me always like to do that. That make your work look like work. You want to give trouble today, don't it? Good. See it there now? See them there? Where are they under there? No, you don't want to clean up. Not clean up in here yet. Now I cut one ply. We drop in here so now where arms them are going to go up on. Yes, I'm going to cut the ply there. Cut to fit, drop in it. You know, must fit exact. Because I still want to left space for some things. I might make it come to bow right or so. Yeah. So you can drop in some things about one end. It have space underneath the board where you can lift up and put things under there also, but I want to give him a little space because see, you now have no if you put look at tool them and them things. Oh, jack going on them part there. But in the little parts, I see a parts ain't showing it, you know. So any little thing what I want to show in this, I'm gonna make a little space with that. Because I don't know the intention what they have for the vehicle as yet. So I try to give them back as much as I can give them while I give them a little music. Alright. Cut to fit. We want, you know. I don't want to come up in another corner, yeah? Come on, look at space up here. Be a dirt in another bus, you know. Alright. Shape it one way. Yes, I kind of jump off I shape still, but everywhere is alright. When I wrap it with the material, I'm going to get some material for wrapping. I don't get no material, but I'm going to try to find some material to cover it with. If I have a round the edge, as the amps, I'm going to go up on it. And then that I will cover. And put the amps in. 2 amps in people. I remember say, watch out now, I never test you know. So, I don't want to no quarrel with me and say wait, because I just cut. I never measure. Well, yeah, I measure, but I never test. I never test it if I'm cutting. You know, install them. Alright. Infinity. Space there. Kind of want some part to have more space more than some because I don't want it to look untidy. But that is it. Then when I wire up that, this I go back right in place. And I go some ropes in there. Coverage. Good. Me I go on. Alright. Me have one work figure match up on the car out this right now. So me I wait on some parts for this. While me I wait on some parts for this. I go do that. Alright, mission have to put them box here. Pan the window. So me start cut ply already. I cut the ply to the exact shape of the window first. And then when I cut the ply to the shape of the window, see? I go put the box pan the ply. I have to do it that way there because the box are already make. And I make them work. So you have to go and fit ply to the window. People, I kind of work fast and not really video, you know. I make one. I try to match it to the box as best as I can. The box kind of big. Still might have to go cut off one little piece off of the box itself. I hope. I hope say I don't must have to take off much. But I might have to take off one little piece. Still I go on. This side copy. So that's the right side. This is the left side. Not even pull the door up on the left side. I just cut and make. I need to hurry up and do it because as soon as we finish this, I need to go finish up the bus. So I try to work on a pace. You know? Sorry about the video in kind of go on one kind of way, but I try to do enough work while I have video. Yeah, video and take up my time. Alright people. Show no what I go on the system you know. Framing, you know. Frame me I call in because the frame they install. Yeah. Frame they install. So that's where I put the box in. See? 2 frame install. Door are open and close properly. That means everything's supposed to be good there. So right now, I'm gonna wrap them and then screw them on the box. Yeah. Outside, you know. Water break. Notice me make sure someone not see labor upon the water because I not do no promotion. Yeah, so me wrap 2 window frame them one time and me wrap the amps rack for your bus. Same time. Me a multitask. Time I go, you know. What time of day is it right now? 1 o'clock. Alright, big boss. Me a go on. Me a build a big sound for you. Alright, so me a go on, people. You see all of them things I'm on my workshop. Because when me did I make this, when me make this, I make it copy. I could have just use my rotor and my flush trim bit and do it. But because either way down in one barrel and I can't bother to take out it just to do over one of that. So me just this when me have my workshop now, my tool them can out. Me can have my tool them set places, rotor over this rotor segment, yes a table saw, over this jigsaw. So when me do that now, me have to pack up my tool them, me can use them every time me work. Me go on the glue up. Work time. Alright people, this is how I mount the window box then. 1 clip, 2 clip. That's how I fit them tight. Yeah, so then you can swing, you can drive, you can play, you can do anything you want to do right now. The one around us I not do yet. Like me I do right now. See clip them, eh? And for all who want to know what kind of clip, read what I say. Universal clip. Them one has some sparkle one. They have one spring in it. When the spring fly and lick up on your hand, it's nice. Yeah, catch me over this a couple times well. Alright people. Yeah, some of there right now. Everything in the tweeter is a little bit different. So kinda I try to shape the box as best to make it whole, but it can't hold it big. But it can take out. Because I try to pull out it and it can come out. And it can put in back. So that's alright. That side alright. That side alright. Yeah, you need to get one next tweeter like this. Well comfortable and neat. So only thing left now to put on the clip them. Put on the clip them wholly. You see it? No hold on, you know. You just hold on half I one now, you know. See it? No wholly. Yeah. Comfortable. Alright, boom bang bang. Get the clip them, get the clip them. Have a good one, have a good one. Yeah. You ready? Yo, I want reverse light you having.
It's a short, so that's separate.
You put on pants, man. Put in lock over so. Alright, that is it.